हैप्पी टीचर डे।
उठेगा
हैप्पी टीचर डे।
बच्चा को दीजिए, बच्चा को दीजिए।
अरे
थोड़ा सबको लगा दीजिए। कैमरा साइड में रखिए। आप कैसे कर रहे हैं कैमरा? खुश रहो, खुश रहिए। देखिए बच्चों लोग, आइए ना, आइए ना यहाँ, आइए ना, आइए, एक और है, आइए ना, आइए ना, आइए इधर,
आइए आइए
आइए आइए आइए आइए आइए।
अरे वो उधर है।
एक केक खराब हो तो केक उठाओ, ठीक है?
केक उठा रहे। अरे केक उठा यहाँ फोड़ फोड़ो नहीं।
और अब हम चाहते हैं
अरे
कि-
कौन साइड से फोड़ा?
शिक्षक दिवस पर पवन सर कुछ बातें अंग्रेजी में बोलेंगे, उसके बाद हम हिंदी में कुछ बातें रखेंगे। चलिए सर।
All of you, wish you a happy birthday on Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was born 5 September 88, Tamil Nadu, village Tirumani. He always was a brilliant student in our India. And Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was become vice president, and after that he was freedom second president in India. But why? Why to celebrate in 5 September? On upon say time, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan are distributed extra knowledge in our India. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan are teaching in our country students, peasants, laborers are very helpful to us, so that students and all of you, as you know that today that day is very essential for our students, and Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan in the students on dependable education and mood of in our country designations are informants very fast and very high. So friends, teachers are unable give respect and take respect. If you any work in a high position getting, first off you will have to struggle, then you will have to succeed, as if Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. It is main proposal. Our contributions are forward into other country, so that don't forget in this day. In this day is very important day. Today we are celebrating 5 September. All over India is celebrating, and students, schools, college, university, etc. high level celebrating in every year 5 September. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan between students and distributed higher knowledge. So performance, it is because 5 September and designation vice president after independence and second president, so that I have spoken, and at last I have given a spoken. Students in very areas are reading, and very areas you will have to struggle any subject and give respect teachers, principal and elder brothers, then higher position in very areas. Don't forget. I have spoken. End of. That's enough.
अब कुछ बातें जो है हमारे विद्यार्थी ये आलोक जी कुछ बातें कहेंगे और आलोक जी कुछ बात बोलिए।
एक को आप लोग उठा लीजिए।
कुछ बातें नहीं ठीक है। अब हम कुछ बातें
बस ऑफ की जाओ।
गाना लगे ना गाना
हो गया बीच वाला दबा
इसको